कोकण रेल्वे सतत सघन तिकेट तपासणीची मोहीम आयोजित करता। फाटल्या 3 म्हयन्यांत वट्ट 14,150 अनियमित रेल्वेन प्रवास करपी मेळ्ळ्यात। ह्या प्रवाशांक दंड दिवन वट्ट 86,37,820 रुपया फायन घेतल्या। प्रवाशांनी योग्य पद्धतीन आनी तिकेटी काडून प्रवास करचो अशें कोकण रेल्वेचो सरवेवस्थापक भवन घाडगी हांणी म्हायती दिल्या।
Railway has conducted intensive ticket checking drives over our entire section, that is from between Roha to Kur, on the running trains as well as at the stations. And as a result of it, in last 3 months, we have collected 86 lakh, approximately 86 lakh rupees towards penalty. And we have made a cases of 14,150 unauthorized irregular travelers. Month-wise, if you see, in August we had registered around 4,484 cases and fine collected was around 26 lakhs. In September, it was around 4,888 cases of irregular travelers and amount collected was 27 lakh. And in October, this amount has increased to 32 lakh. As of now, in the financial year 23-24, we have collected around 11 crore till October end towards by penalizing these irregular travelers and unauthorized travelers. And I appeal to the passengers to travel with proper and valid tickets in order to avoid the inconvenience.